In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then click on Consent. Click at the top left corner, manage all of those options however you want to, and then click at the top right corner to access bottom right corner and hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Then tap on Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!